What's up guys, Gamer6006 here, back with another reaction video, and today we're going to be reacting to keeping your refrigerator stocked will get you many women, reacted to by the one, the only FlightReacts. Let's get into it.
What it do, flight
Flight
crew?
crew,
FTC.
FTC,
Flight
flight
team
team
stand
stand up.
up. It's Jude. Hey, look, man. We have keeping your refrigerator stocked will get you so many women. Now, this was actually linked to me. I think it was an email or DM or something by multiple people. This video was uploaded like 25 years ago almost. And we're gonna check it out because apparently, like, if you keep your refrigerator stocked, it will help you get that much more women. So if you've
Alright,
been lonely during these quarantine and tough times in 2020, this is the way to go apparently. So let's check it out.
What's up, y'all? Know it's your boy Shots to the Man. Yeah, now a lot of y'all, you know what I'm saying? You know I put you onto the whip game, put you onto a lot of things about the card game. You got any questions, holler at me. Right now, you know what I'm saying? You in a nigga's
what the
kitchen.
fuck is this
Yeah,
mic
just
quality?
for the moment of silence for the brand new Italian title. Yeah, they just put this down last night. Isn't this shit cool as hell, man? Pure Italian. Alright, fuck that shit. Anyway, okay, alright. So I was at my nigga's crib, okay, and I was trying to tell the nigga if he could just do small things to his shit, like his kitchen and his bathroom, he'll have women everywhere, dropping vagina panties all over the place. You know what I'm saying? He
Okay.
thought I was bullshit. So I said, let
You
me make
bet.
y'all a video of my something small in my refrigerator. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna show you that I'm real with the shit. Alright, hold on, one more thing. Y'all see this shit? It's a chrome garbage can. I ain't never seen no chrome garbage can. The shit from
Yo,
Egypt, and it
that shit
float
was
like this.
huge back
Ain't
then.
that some cool shit? Alright, fuck that shit, fuck that shit. Okay, alright.
What the
So
fuck?
if you have an assortment of drinks in your fridge, it's gonna open up the world. Women are gonna come over here, they're gonna be comfortable. I know it sounds silly, but I want y'all to feel me on this
No,
shit.
that's 100% facts. Even before he opens the refrigerator, that's 100% facts. Like, if you don't know what snacks to buy, the first go-to I can definitely vouch for is definitely get like a variety of drinks, like all the type of tropicanical juices. You gotta have the Kool-Aid in there. Gotta have your water, stay healthy. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Orange juice, apple juice, lemonade. You know what I'm saying? Probably like some Capri Suns and some shit like that. Maybe some vitamin water if you're able to. But I know for a fact that, like, when a woman can walk in and just like feel that they have like a refreshment, which is like a drink and shit, it means and junk like that of any type of sort, it makes them be able to like cool off and be able, especially when it's hot and shit. That's definitely fact. So he's going on the right pace right
Right
now.
now, oh yeah, nigga made a piece.
Bro, that pizza slap.
Oh, that's a fire ass
Okay,
pizza,
yo,
no
I know what that
cap.
pizza is.
Now I know y'all
Oh, he got the
Yo!
ain't
sodas
like
and
that no
everything.
more.
Yo! Wait, let me get a better shot.
Fuck
Slap.
that shit, fuck that
Don't
shit,
be
fuck that
hating,
shit.
yo. I know what that pizza is.
Now,
Yo. Yo, this dude got all the Snapples, he's got all the vitamin waters, he got all the Pepsi, he got the Red Bull, he's got this Mystic stuff, bro.
Oh,
Yo.
he got the sodas and
He got the
everything. Oh
Smirnoff,
shit.
got
Damn,
Coke,
he got the stash
the
stash.
Arizona
Fuck.
iced tea.
Oh, bro, now it's the summer. You gotta get them icicle pops too. Gotta get them icicle pops. Bro, we got the
Uh,
Arizona iced teas in there.
you know what I'm saying? So
I don't. Hey,
hey,
look.
so
One thing I can say: don't fuck with Red Bull. You know what I'm saying? Like energy drinks in just general, bro. It's like very unhealthy, bro.
yeah.
I wouldn't. You know what I'm saying? Mess with them. You know what I'm saying? Because that stuff can catch up to you in the long run.
this real talk for the mature chick, you know,
Like, I honestly
who still feel
probably
like
only
she
had
has
like
to
two
fit
or
in with the
three energy
niggas.
drinks
They
my
always
entire
feel
life.
like it. I don't know why.
Like,
You know what I'm saying? Then the Snapples, that's for like the suburban chicks. You know, they come over here, they be like, oh my God, Chai City, like, you don't need a drink. And then I'm like, yeah, Becky, I got fucking Snapples over here. Oh my God, you have so many flavors. This is crazy. I don't even know which one to take. And I'm
This
like, yo,
is
this is the one that
hilarious,
you want to
bro.
take, yo. You know what I'm saying? Now, the vitamin water, that's for like the chicks, you know what I'm saying, who stay in shape. You know, they might come over to your crib after they leave the gym, shit like that, you know what I'm saying? The
Yeah.
Smirnoff Ices,
that's
you dig?
alcohol,
That's
right?
for like the chicks who, you know, it's their first time coming over here. They want to get their drink on, but they don't know you well enough to get drunk around you, so they just get their buzz on with the Smirnoff Ice. Okay, now y'all
People
already know
drink
if you're a hood
Smirnoff
nigga,
still?
I ain't gotta say. The
Yeah,
cherry
bro.
coke, that's for the hood chicks, because I got flaming hots, and then I hit 'em with the cherry coke. They in. The Red Bull, that's really for me. I ain't gonna front. I'll be kind of tired in the morning. Then I hit them with the orange
Yeah,
crush
that's
for
not
the
healthy. Don't drink
serious
energy drinks, bro.
contestants. You see, this shit goes all the way to the
And then
back.
a
Great
soda.
direction.
And another thing too about like diet soda, if you guys want to get informed, you know what I'm saying? I'm the best teacher that you guys will ever, you know what I'm saying, run into as well. I told you, if I
Yeah.
wasn't doing this entertainment ish, man, I'll be a substitute teacher, no
Yeah.
cap. Look, don't drink
Imagine you just walk into your class, you see Flight, bro.
no diet.
You're
You might
hype
as
as
well
hell.
just drink the regular soda.
You're
Diet
hype as hell.
anything like Diet Coke, Diet Pepsi, Diet Mountain Dew. They have like the ingredients in diet sodas that's it's called artificial. You know what I'm saying? Unsweetened or something around that category.
Yeah, we,
It's
we know
actually liquid
Flight.
that you know what I'm saying that has not a huge, but a definitely you know what I'm saying can cause a reason. You know what I'm saying? In the future. Now this is not guaranteed, but it definitely like you just don't want to be comfortable drinking stuff that has different chemicals in it that can cause it. But apparently, diet anything can cause you know what I'm saying cancer. You know because it has like chemicals that cause cancer in it. You know,
Damn.
and now I'm not sitting up here saying, oh, just because you
Hey,
drank
bro,
diet, you know,
I don't drink soda. I don't even worry about any of
some
that
people,
stuff.
you know, they wanted to try their curious or there's no other option. That doesn't mean just because you drank like 5 diet Pepsis or any type of
Yeah,
5 diet sodas in your past lifetime, you're gonna get cancer or you're gonna ever get, you know what I'm saying, you know, cancer, God forbid. But it can increase the chances because it has different artificial
yeah,
chemicals and all that type of stuff to make that soda not
I
still
feel
have the
you.
taste to it, but not have the sugar in it. You gotta also think about it. Like there has to be also something to
Yeah,
where it makes it taste right. So make sure you know what I'm saying. You be careful with that. Now, just because you also, even if you still be like, okay, maybe this guy doesn't know what he's talking about, or I don't care what you got to say. Just because you drink diet soda, still you may not even you it doesn't guarantee you still get you know what I'm saying cancer,
yeah,
but you know what I'm saying? Just be careful because what I've researched before in the past and what I've also heard and you know sources like that and all of that stuff, diet anything like soda especially has chemicals in it that causes you know it just has harmful chemicals in general in it that causes cancer. You know, so be careful with that, everybody. Just looking out. You shouldn't even be drinking soda anyway. It's bad. Just drink water.
exactly.
If you're gonna drink a diet soda, you might as well drink water. To be honest
She's
with you,
too
bro.
good for the cherry coke. So she drinks that. Right. Okay. Then the lipstick, the green tea, man, that's
Now
for the
that's really good for you.
holistic, you know, vegetarian. I don't eat meat, and I, you know,
Nah, nah. See, I disagree with that part. Like, Lipton tea is actually very
It
like
is.
any tea in
It's
general
really
is
good.
good. You know what I'm saying? Especially like if you like you know
Yeah,
do music or you're gonna be talking a lot. You know, like it clears your throat. You know what I'm
yeah,
saying? Tea also keeps you from getting sick. You know what I'm saying? That's a source in helping you you know stay you know Rona free. That's another you know example. I already gave you guys the first 3 examples. You know what I'm saying? Weed, vitamin C, wine. You know, and tea.
Flight, did you just say weed keeps you Rona free? You're just making up excuses so you can get high every day, bro. Stop capping.
Definitely has an effect in it that has nice different flavors and chemicals. I don't think that's for vegetarians. I definitely drink tea, if not every day, every other day.
and
But
I'm real
he's definitely
thirsty
going
for them,
places though.
you know, fucking Erica Badu chicks, you know what I'm saying? And of course, niggas, for the hood chicks, damn, I got a draw Kool-Aid, nigga. What flavor you want? You know what I'm saying? I mean,
I
damn,
said
you know, I
Kool Aid.
might go with the. Yeah, I'm gonna get the blue one, cause that's like, okay. Then we got water again for the in-shape chicks. You know what I'm
No, you
saying?
should just
Just
be
the
drinking
pure
water in
white
general.
water for the
Bro, he
fucking,
got a
you know,
stocked
some
ass
bitty
fridge.
chicks, more vitamin water shit. Now,
Vitamin water.
hold on, one more thing. If you a real nigga though, real niggas, yo, damn, you ain't throwing shit. Yo, there's two things in your shit. Sweet Baby Ray's, man.
Facts.
You
Gotta
know
have
that
that
shit,
barbecue.
man, on
Gotta have
point.
that barbecue. You got to.
And motherfucking
Ranch,
ranch.
facts for the pizza
I
and
mean,
like
like,
any other
shit,
shit.
niggas, we don't eat blue cheese. Black people
Yeah,
don't eat blue cheese. We eat ranch. And, hey, look,
Salad,
at
of
the
course, you
end
gotta
of the
remember.
day, we dogs is
Butter.
playing. I can't believe it's not butter. Man, this shit, you could drink this shit, man, and it
Nah,
ain't
hell
butter.
no. Don't drink
It's
that
like,
shit. Don't do
it
that.
has a
Don't do that.
flavor, but it ain't butter. Shit is really fucking good, man. Real talk. Now, a lot of y'all saying, well, what about, you know, for the, hold on, get money, get paid? Okay, we cool, we cool. Now, sometimes the women, they bring their kids over here. You know what I'm saying? Be fucking me up, because I'm trying to hit that ass. Right. So you know what I did, nigga? Damn. Hit them little niggas with a
Popsicle, I
popsicle.
told y'all.
oh,
Ooh! Oh yeah! You gotta have that ice cream. Bro, no,
bro,
bro.
ice
Look,
cream sandwiches are
I
fire.
prefer the M&M cookie ice cream. If you know what the fuck I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking
Yeah,
about, bro. You missing out. You gotta have the Lego and my Eggos in there, bro. Especially if you don't even know how to cook. This guy's doing it right, definitely. If you don't know how to cook, especially for the not know how to cook dudes, you definitely have a stock freezer where you can warm it up in the oven or
yeah,
microwave, and then you have a stock refrigerator with drinks. So this is basically the answer.
She bring a kid over here and I said, well, you want a freeze pop, little nigga? Because he just gonna cock block you anyway. Hit him with a motherfucking freeze pop, all types of flavors. Got like fucking 400 in this motherfucker. You know what
Oh,
I'm saying?
the key to anybody, you know what I'm saying, you know, if somebody has like kids, a lady brings a kid over or whatever, or in general, keeping the kids distracted, definitely the popsicle, and you have to let them play your video game, bro. Look at me right now. Make sure they sign into a different account. Make
Yeah.
sure you have a guest account. Let them play the video game. Let them do whatever they want on that account, and you Gucci, bro. I promise you, the kid will not even know they are even out in a different stranger's crib. You know what I'm saying? With their mom, obviously there. You know what I'm saying? But like, the point is, make sure you have those two things in handy. You need to have, you know what I'm saying, nice snacks, popsicles is, you know what I'm saying. And then you gotta have the video game. You know what I'm saying? So they don't cock block. This is facts.
And if
Facts,
you
yo.
like me, every once in a while you might kick it with a big girl with a pretty face, but just a back girl. Hit her with the pizzas. I got fucking ice cream
You
sandwiches.
need
I
the
got
cookie
fresh
one, the
squeezed
M&M.
eggs. You know, hell, look, I got even more shit for them. Hold on. Then you open up this. Bam! Snacks on snacks, nigga.
Cereal.
7, 8, 9 different flavors of cereal. We got Pop Tarts. Man, we got popcorn with toffee, wheat thins. Nigga, what you want? You know, I tell the bitch, come on, get your snack on.
What you
Get
want?
real comfortable. You know, you breathing heavy as hell. I know you hungry. You know, 7 different flavors of chips.
Yeah, you gotta have all the
Got
chips.
chips on chips in this motherfucker. I
Facts.
mean,
Oh
hey.
damn.
Now, sometimes, okay, if a girl bring her kid over to your spot, you know what I'm saying, you gotta throw him off. So that's why I'm gonna take y'all over here and walk to the front room. You gotta throw that little nigga off, okay? Cause he gonna cock
The
block
fuck
because
going
he
on
don't
with the
want you
camera?
near his mama. So then you take the little 5-year-old kid, you say, look, little nigga, which one you wanna play? You wanna play the PS3 or the Xbox?
Did not just say this!
Because the PS3,
IQ reacts!
then you let him play on the big ass screen. You see, I got the PS3 on right now.
He's playing NBA Live 09. Yeah, this is definitely old video, you know it. I told you guys this before you even brought it up.
Just watch cable on the cable Comcast box.
Come on, man. When I'm talking, pay attention, better listen. I'm a legend. Fuck you mean?
That's all I really want to put y'all niggas on to.
The secret
Nah,
to
get this
finding the
ad out of
logos
here,
for
bro. This is a
all your
good
favorite
video. Come on.
websites is here. Oh, I mean, here.
Have your crib set up, man, to make the girl feel good. You know what I'm saying? Next thing you know, she gonna be making you feel good. You niggas already know. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and get my. Yeah, let me go ahead and get my. Where my Kool-Aid at? Damn. Get my
Bro, don't leave
Kool-Aid.
that pizza
Oh
there,
yeah,
bro.
one more
I
thing.
want
Man,
that.
make us a
You
Kool-Aid.
just leaving the
We
pizza
can
out.
just
Pass
stack
that
the
over,
bottle of
man.
juice all the way to the top. Cause when I twist the motherfucking cap, I put it. The shit explodes like a goddamn grenade. Then I got blue juice all over my white carpet. Look, man, I appreciate you trying to give me as much juice for the value, but look, put the juice. Look at this shit. See now the juice is all at the top. You see, put the juice down here so when I open it, it don't spill everywhere. Okay? Trust me, I ain't gonna miss it. You know, these motherfuckers cost like $5 for a dollar. Okay? Thank you. Anyway, y'all know, Shot City, man. Do your thing. Get your whip game proper. Get your crib together. And remember, get money.
Get paid. That's just facts. 100% facts this entire video, damn near. You know what I'm saying? And I even said it ahead of time. Hey, man, man, comment down below at Shrek 2 next, man. On the road to 3 milli. Make sure you buy some fresh, so clean merch. FlightReacts.us.
Bro, shout out
FlightReacts.us.
FlightReacts.us. Go cop that merch, bro. Clean. Peace.